thunderstorm warning for western Adams County in south-central Pennsylvania, southwestern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, eastern Franklin County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 9:30 p.m. At 8:29 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Roxbury to Waynesboro, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Chambersburg, Carlisle, Waynesboro, Gettysburg, Shippensburg, Greencastle, Guilford, Plainfield, Carroll Valley, Fayetteville, Wayne Heights, and Mont Alto. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike for mile markers 193 to 222. Interstate 81 for mile markers 0 to 45. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with these severe thunderstorms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.